welcome to a new tutorial with GretaWings. Today I want to teach you how to make this dress and bone for Hello Kitty. If you haven't seen the base body, in the description of this video you can find the links. For the base body I'm used La Abuelita brand yarn, and I will show you how to make this dress using the same yarn. But you need to know that you can use another yarn. For example, for this dress, I use Symphonia brand yarn. It's similar yarn, but they are different. But you can use both at the same time and will be beautiful. But you can use for this project whatever yarn that you prefer. Then I will show you using pink and white. The white is just for the detail, but you can see that you can use lilac, you can use blue, you can use whatever color that you prefer. Also, we need some button to put it on the back. And that's it. With this yarn, with both yarn, I'm use 2.5 millimeters hook. This is the bone. You can use some elastic and put it on the back, and you can remove. On my case, I doesn't put because I wanna change the dress and make more accessories for this Hello Kitty on the future. Then 2.5 millimeters hook for both yarn. I use the same hook. And remember, if you change the hook, maybe the size will be different if you use the same yarn. Of course, we need scissors and a wool needle, and that's it. This is all the materials that we need to make this dress and bone. We will start making the dress, starting with the slip knot, 36 chains, 1, 2, 3, and continue doing chains until we are 36 in total. You have 36 chains. We will start in the chain number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and we will make 30 single crochet. You can take this loop, the traditional loop, or you can take the back loop. In the real life, I prefer the back loop, this one, but you can use whatever. And taking this loop, we will make 30 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and continue doing single crochet until we are 30 and finish all the chains. On round 2, turn the piece and we will start with 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Skip 8 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and in the next point we will start 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 5 chains again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 8 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and in the next point we will start 4 single crochet to finish this round. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we already finished this round with 24 points. On round 3, turn and we will make 24 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. The single crochet number 5 will be on the chain. We'll make 1 single crochet in each chain. And that's it. We will continue doing single crochet all round, 24 in total. Make sure that you made one single crochet in each chain and one single crochet in each single crochet that we have on the previous round. On round 4, we will start with 3 single crochet, turn the piece, every time you will turn, and 3 single crochet, 1, 2, and 3, 1 increase. Then we will continue repeating 3 single crochet and 1 increase all round. We will finish this round with 30 points. On round 5, turn and we will start with 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, and in the next point 1 increase. We will continue repeating 2 single crochet and 1 increase all round. We will finish this round with 40 points. On round 6, turn and we will start with 3 single crochet, 1, 2, and 3, and in the next point 1 increase, and we will continue repeating exactly the same all round. We will finish this round with 50 points. From round 7 to 10, we will turn in each round and we will make 50 single crochet. 1, 2, and continue doing single crochet until finish this round, and exactly the same until round 10. If you want this dress large than this one, you just need make more rounds with 50 single crochet. On round 11, 1 chain, turn, and 1 slip stitch. 1 chain and 1 slip stitch. You will continue repeating exactly the same all round. It's the detail on the border. 1 chain and 1 slip stitch. When you finish the last slip stitch, 1 chain for secure and cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn just for hide it. I'm already put this button. You can use whatever button that you prefer, also whatever color that you prefer. You can see that I use blue and the dress is pink, but I like that. We will make the detail using a white colored yarn. It's very easy. I leave a long yarn on the beginning just for secure on the back later. Then pay close attention and you can see how to make this. For the bone, I will use the same pink color yarn. I will leave a long thread on the beginning and we will make a magic ring, 3 chains. This is the first chain that secure the magic ring, 2 and 3 to double crochet on the magic ring. Everything is on the magic ring. 2, 3 chains again, 1, 2 and 3 and 1 slip stitch. And we will repeat the same one more time, 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3 to double crochet, 1, 2, 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3 and 1 slip stitch on the magic ring. You can cut the yarn leaving enough yarn for make the center now. Also, if you want to sew this bone with the head, leave a long yarn, but also you can use glue. On my case, I don't use nothing because I want to remove this bone. I want to change the dress maybe on the future, and I will use exactly the same body. Then pay close attention and you can see how to make this center is easy. And that's it. We already finished this dress, and remember you can use another color and you can change, and your girl will love this. Hello Kitty. I hope and you like it, and if it's like that, please don't forget to leave me your like and your comment. And if you haven't subscribed yet on this channel, what are you waiting for? I invite you to do it and activate the bell, and you will receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this one to the end. Until next tutorial. Bye bye.